Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with passwordless magic links for dApps, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with passwordless magic links for dApps, start by setting up your development environment. Ensure you have a Node.js server running. Next, create a new project directory for your dApp. Initialize your project using npm to manage dependencies. Install the necessary libraries for email handling and link generation. Use a service like NodeMailer for sending emails. Configure your email service with the appropriate credentials. Now, design your user interface to include an email input field. When the user submits their email, trigger a backend function to handle the request. In your backend code, generate a unique token for the user session. Set an expiration time for this token to enhance security. Next, store this token in your database, linked to the user's email. Compose a magic link using your front-end URL and the generated token. Send this magic link to the user's email using your email service. Instruct users to check their email for the magic link. Upon clicking the link, users will be redirected to your dApp. In your dApp, capture the token from the URL parameters. Validate the token by checking it against your database records. If valid, authenticate the user and create a session. Return the user's data to personalize their experience within the dApp. Consider implementing a mechanism for token expiration and renewal. Monitor user activity to ensure secure and efficient authentication. Once set up, test the entire flow thoroughly to catch any issues. Deploy your dApp to a hosting platform to make it accessible to users. Continuously update your authentication method to adhere to best security practices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.